Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com, is brought to you by RockAuto.com. All the parts your car will ever need. And by Campbell's Custom Care, your detail specialist.
Strap in and hang on because Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com, continues. Let's talk about ratchet straps. You know, some folks swear by them, other folks swear at them. But hold on, because Strapinno has changed all of that. The folks at Strapinno have changed the game completely. First of all, let's talk about the word Strapinno. It's a mix of strapping plus innovation, and these guys aren't messing around. Tie-down straps from Strapinno are like no other tie-down straps. They're retractable, and they're the ultimate solution for your tie-down and strapping applications. Now, here's how they work in a nutshell. You just open the handle, pull out the straps, and you hook both ends. The straps unspool effortlessly, no tangling or twisting. They're so much easier than traditional straps, and they roll back up smoothly too. That eliminates the messy straps and reducing flapping when you're driving. That keeps the straps from getting beat up on the highway and also from damaging your vehicle or your cargo. Now, to retract the Strapinno straps, all you do is pull the handle into the release position. That allows the strap to auto rewind, and so much neater than trying to gather up your traditional ratchet straps and sorting out that whole mess. Now, Strapinno's patented retract deceleration design prevents damage to the cargo and to your body. Strapinno's mechanism controls the rewinding speed. That means the strap will not snap back on you like a big tape measure, and you know that can hurt a lot if it's ever happened to you. That's a lot more secure and more efficient than traditional tie-down straps, and way safer than bungee cords. Strapinno straps retract, so no more cam jam and no more tangled messes like you have with traditional straps. And they also come with storage bags, which do even more to keep your vehicle nice and tidy. If you've ever had a pile of ratchet straps in your vehicle, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Even the hooks are innovative on a Strapinno tie-down strap. They actually latch shut. And by the way, Strapinno has just launched 4 new models. 2 of them have new rubber-coated S-hooks. One of them has a new E-Track system, and the other with a wheel chock. Either way, you're going to be great hauling on an open trailer or inside an enclosed trailer. First of all, there's the Transportation Series, including the 1-inch Easy Rewind, and this is great for outdoor adventures. Maybe you have a kayak, dirt bike, or e-bike, maybe even a surfboard. Strapinno also has a whole Marine Series that's perfect for boats and for jet skis. And when you're talking boats, you're talking about salt water and corrosion. Well, Strapinno took that into consideration, outfitting their Marine Series with stainless steel hardware that stands up to the elements. And some of the Marine Series models can be bolted right into your trailer, just like the boat trailer and jet ski transom retract. You can transport your personal watercraft safely and more easily than ever before. The 1-inch model has an adjustable loop design, and that keeps the ratchet itself away from your boat or your personal watercraft and keeps that fiberglass looking great. And what if you do some heavy-duty hauling? Well, Strapinno has you covered too with the Transportation Series. Strapinno straps are the best way to secure your ATV or side-by-side, and they're also perfect for tying down lawn equipment, big mowers and that sort of thing. To open the heavy-duty retract straps, open the handle all the way to the release position, and you just pull the webbing out, and that'll secure your cargo. Then to release it, put it back at that same 180-degree angle. It starts to retract, and as I mentioned, there's a deceleration system built in that prevents the strap from retracting too fast. You can control that strap and the hook, and it won't swing around and hit you, your vehicle, or your stuff. Strapinno's heavy-duty straps are adventure-ready, and they're built to handle even the heaviest cargo. They have a working load limit of over 1,600 pounds and a braking strength of 5,000 pounds. These things are tough. Now, how good are the heavy-duty retract straps from Strapinno? Well, we love them here, but don't take our word for it. These straps won the 2022 German Design Award and the 2021 Muse Design Award as well. You can make your tie-down process easier, safer, and more secure, and you'll be a whole lot happier anytime you haul something. It's cutting-edge technology, strapping solutions from Strapinno, and it'll revolutionize the way you secure your cargo. Do not settle for subpar straps. Upgrade to Strapinno ratchet straps and experience the ultimate in cargo hauling security and ease. Do not walk. Run to the interwebs. Go to Strapinno.com to get some of these. Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com, rolls on after this. And do not miss it. We've got the Amsoil Tech Tip and the Motorhead of the Week.